Hey guys, this is Bhushan and you're watching cloudyrathor. And in our previous video we learned how to start the first line of code of the Flask, and we also learned what is Flask, who developed the Flask, and some history about the Flask. And we also run our first 4 line of code. So in this video we will learn about the routing in the Flask. So guys, the routing in the Flask tells the compiler that which functions it need to call, or which functions it need to run. So before wasting the time, we will see how it works. Okay, now we have this previous code and now I want to run it. Okay, so last time when we run this code, so it gives nothing as output. So this time we will try to produce some output. So for this we need to run @app route. So @app is a decorator, so we will talk about decorator in our later video. So right now I want to give the URL as base URL. So I'll give slash, and then as soon as the user gives the base URL, that is the IP of the host and along with the port number, so it need to run some code. Okay, so here I'm making one function that is, or say it's a home page, and I want to run this home page and I want to return hello world. This is my first home page, and then I want to run it. So we got this URL, and here we got the output. So here we got the same output after giving the base URL. Okay, in our code we route the base URL to this function, and that is home page, and in that function we wrote this line, and the same line we got on the our browser. So this is the very good thing of Flask, because we don't require any external server and all these things, because as we already discussed about the features of the Flask in our very first video. Now what happened if someone gives something with the base URL? Okay, so suppose if I want to display the different messages for the different user, then so suppose if I gives user 1, then I want to print hello user 1, and if someone gives user 2, then I want to print the customized message for every single user, and then I will write hello user 2, and then I will run the same. Okay, I got the error here because we gave the same function here. So instead of giving the home page, I will write here func1, and here I will give func2, and then I will again run the same thing. So we got the URL, just click on the same, and here we got the output. But right now the output is, it gives nothing, because in our code we gives as soon as someone gives user 1, so it need to print hello user 1, and then if someone gives user 2, so it need to print hello user 2. So in this way we learn how to route in the code. So in next video we will learn how to do some Dynamic coding means how to pass some code dynamically, how to pass some value dynamically, and will generate some decent output where take input and will produce some dynamic result on the browser. So till then, bye bye.
So guys, stay innovative, stay hungry, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. I will get back to you very soon. Till then, bye bye.